There's many a reason that the Mercedes-Benz S-class is considered a benchmark for luxury cars. Its fit and finish quality is perfect, its powertrains buttery smooth, and its cabin packed with both the most luxurious and most high-tech features available today. In addition, Mercedes-Benz regularly updates its venerable flagship with the latest and greatest. Anybody who's somebody is a regular passenger in this world-class sedan, and it's an easy choice for buyers who won't settle for anything but the best. Yes, it's expensive, but as the saying goes, you get what you pay for, and that has never been truer than when said about the S-Class. Despite only subtle exterior differences, the 2018 S-Class represents a thorough refresh compared with the 2017 model. That year's 4.7-liter V8 and 6.0-liter V12 are replaced by a 362-horsepower twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, badged S450, and a 463-horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, badged S560. The V12 lives on in the Mercedes AMG S65 and the Mercedes Maybach S600, both reviewed separately. Last year's plug-in hybrid model, dubbed S550e, is discontinued. Eventually it will be replaced by the S560e, which will provide more electric-only driving range. A new optional active suspension allows the S-Class to lean up to 2.7 degrees in a turn to help minimize passenger discomfort. Inside, occupants are coddled with a new feature Mercedes calls energizing comfort that is meant to rejuvenate occupants by engaging all 5 of their senses. A new steering wheel provides updated controls for cruise control and infotainment, while a new standard wireless charging pad for compatible smart devices takes up residence on the center console. The S-Class also benefits from an updated digital gauge display and infotainment screen, composed of two 12.3-inch screens integrated into one monolithic display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now both standard features. Outside, the S-Class receives a new grille, a revised front bumper with more aggressive air intakes, and new LED headlamps. Borrowing technology first unveiled with the E-Class, the S-Class now offers the same semi-autonomous driving tech but ups the ante with some clever features such as automatic lane changing capability and the ability to use map data to prepare for corners, roundabouts, and intersections.